Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So this morning I am going to make a quick short video. I am going to prepare some breakfast for my husband and I am going to fix some eggs for him. That's the 3 eggs, and I am going to make these eggs with some vegetables. That's onion, peppers. Yes, so that will be the video. And like I always say, first thing first, you wash your vegetables. So I'm going to wash my vegetables, wash that, and start chopping. Time to wash the vegetables. I'm not going to use all the vegetables, all the pepper, onion, it's just half. Just a little to make eggs. I use that chopping bag. Eggs. I need to set this camera properly. So I just use a small amount of green peppers. Since I'm just frying 3 eggs, don't want to hold a lot of vegetables and the eggs. So I just chop a little bit. So that's my fine chopped peppers. We eat a lot of vegetables here, so we like to put vegetables in everything. In food, whatever food we cook. So I got my pepper chopped, onion. Like I said, I didn't use the whole onion. I just, since I'm frying just 3 eggs, just need a little vegetables. You don't have to use a whole pepper. Just take the right amount you need and keep the rest for the next day. I'm going to crack the egg into this bowl. Last egg. Using 3 eggs. You can use any amount of eggs you want, but this will be enough for my husband and myself. That's the rest of the onion. Split it. So I am going to measure. That's the black pepper. Just use we like the spicy, so I'm just going to use a spoon, teaspoon. And that's common. I just like the smell. I just use a teaspoon, a half teaspoon. And that's cavender. to use coriander. And a little bit of Tony cashew. Probably. I think I know the right amount I want. So. A little bit of salt. And see that? I use a little bit of olive oil, just cover the frying pan. I mean, I know everyone can fry eggs. I just want to show you guys how I fry my eggs. I'll leave that on to get hot a little bit. I think I need to set my camera. Well, what do you think? Alright, that all is hot. I'll say that's the African way of frying eggs. I just spread it. So the other thing is my husband likes his eggs hot and black. So I'm making brown eggs. Hot and black. I put these back. It's ready. Eggs are ready. On the plate. With toasted bread. Toast that bread. You can have that with your eggs. Toast it. Get it hot. Get a napkin. Eggs ready. Like I said, hot and black. That's how he like it. So. Breakfast is ready! Are you ready to eat? Okay. Get a plate for myself. That's for me. That's my husband's breakfast. Like I said, it's a short video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you next time.